Delete.
You don't just say delete. A lot of stuff.
Yikes. Hey, good morning. We're on a mission today. We're at our storage unit in North Ogden, Utah, and we have a goal to rescue the leather equipment. Try and get as many sewing machines and tools and the equipment that we need in here and in the truck, whatever we can fit in there, and bring it back to St. George. And we'll probably have to make another trip for our personal stuff. We gotta get sewing again, you know? Hey, would you stop coughing?
Sorry.
Gotta change brands or something, dang.
Sorry. Hi.
Hey, can you pick up this shelf right here?
No.
And take it out there?
It's too heavy.
All right. Make sure you go follow our personal Instagram accounts because I just caught Wit sniffing her fingers. From St. George last night to pick up these goodies.
I got chemicals on my hands. I've been worried about me.
Oh yeah, she might be poisoned too. Okay, see you later. Okay, so we promised to tell you the third big life event that we made recently. First, just a really quick backstory. Some of you know our business partners, Thomas and Kaylin, from about 5 years ago. They invested with the business and they've been involved in the back end. So you might have emailed them before, you might have interacted with them somehow. If you're on our online leather course, then you would have seen Thomas. So they've been heavily involved in the business for years. And the second bit of backstory that I need to kind of preface here is the other business that we started. At the beginning of 2020, we started a motorcycle-based business with my parents, and it's been like one of the most satisfying, most fun things we've ever done with our lives. We're having so much fun with it, and it gained a ton of traction really fast to the point where I just couldn't physically put any more time into stock and barrel. I really hated letting go of something that I've been so emotionally and mentally attached to for 10 years. And I was starting to get afraid that it might fade away if we couldn't put the time into it that it deserved. So this is the big news. We sold our share of stock and barrel to Thomas and Kaylin. And they're gonna take over all of the production, the fulfillment, the customer service, all aspects of running the physical product and the digital patterns and the online course and basically running the business side. And we're gonna move into a little bit more of a consulting role. But the really good news is that throughout all the conversations we had with Thomas and Kaylin, we decided that it would make the most sense for us to take over the YouTube channel and carry out the community aspect of it. I started thinking about the business over the last 10 years, and the part that I'm the most emotionally attached to and just the part that I love the most is the community that we've grown through the YouTube channel. So we're gonna keep making leather bags, designing new stuff, filming things on a weekly basis, and Wit's also gonna be taking over a lot of it while I'm working on the other business.
Say, I'll show you how to do the leather.
No.
We're just really excited and we hope you'll stick with us. We're going to be filming a lot of fun projects together and also a lot of our family life mixed in about running a small business, about content creation, our leather projects, just our whole life.
Yeah, it's gonna be really fun. Whatever we can do in a video that brings value to you to help you learn the craft better or just engage better or just have some fun, that's kind of our main goal. It's so hot in here. The camera keeps shutting down because of internal temperature. It's like blazing hot in this storage unit.
It's so hot.
Stock and Barrel is going to keep going the way it always has. So any involvement or any way that you like to engage with Stock and Barrel is still going to be there. Send Thomas an email, intro yourself, you know, the digital patterns will still be there. The online course, he's going to keep selling leather bags and wallets and bringing out a lot of new stuff that he's already talking about. So it's going to be so cool to see Stock and Barrel really kind of take on a new life and get some more traction again. And now that we're kind of balancing things out again, we're going to have the leather shop and the moto stuff is in the same building. She's going to have a lot more time now to come in and help out. So I know that we can, at the very least, manage everything I need to do with Buscadero, the new business, and at least make some videos. Everything else that goes along with the business, if Stock and Barrel was too much for us. And so this is going to be a really healthy and productive move for everybody. And it's a really positive thing. We're super excited. Damn, I'm sweating so much.
I'm sweating so
But
much.
we really, really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you so
guys.
much for all the support. Even though we haven't posted in 8 months, a lot of people thought we died. But we're still here. And we can't wait to dive back in and start making videos again and keep engaging with you and chatting with you. And I hope to have some like meetups and just do a bunch of good stuff. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't. We got to get all this stuff in the new shop. A couple hours down. Doesn't look like we did anything. So most of our personal stuff's still there. All this is going to Thomas and Kaylin to keep running the business, and all the sewing equipment and tools are in there. We did it. You don't really look cool unless you have a princess castle on the back of your truck. And that's just science, so can't argue that.